Tamenglong ki civil organization singna July gi tang marida Governor of Manipur Ajay Kumar Balabu Ras Bhavan Imphal da unaduna Tamenglong district ta awaba kaya lairiba asi miyeng changbinaba memorandum pisinkhre. Memorandum adu maru oina 100 bedded district hospital Tamenglong da manpower asuk ki matik waliba asi yengsinbiduna miyamgi awaba asi kokhan binaba haijakre. Memorandum aduda doctor ki post 43, nurses ki post 72, administrative staff ki post 16 amadi grade 4 ki post 36 asi vacant tawduna lay haiki. District Hospital Tamenglong asida yamna maru oiba specialist doctor sing, radiologist, pediatrician, psychiatrist, ENT specialist, ICU doctor asina singba asi hauzik leitana leiri. Maram aduna layengba lakpa singna awaba mayoknari haiki. Tamenglong Civil Society Organization gi memorandum aduda North Eastern Region Power System Improvement Project gi makhada Tamenglong 132 by 33 kV power substation project in Railong Khunda semliba asi September 2020 da loisingadabani adubu semba loisindana leibana maram oiduna power supply asi ningthi nungaina Tamenglong praja singda piba ngamdana leire haiki. Sioso sing aduna Tamenglong amadi 1000 block ki National Food Security Act NFSA gi makhada lairaba singi damak pirakpa cheng asi tha ani beneficiary singda yauhandana mafam khangdana leire aduga Tamai block ki tha ahum gi backlog leire haiki. Masigi maram asida governor na yengsinbinaba haijakhi. Sioso sing aduna numit taret haibadi 5 working days ki deadline piduna makhoi gi demand sing asi thabak oina pangthok pinaba ultimatum pikhre. Governor of Manipur bu unabada saruk yakhiba Romai Naga Council Manipur Tamenglong Zone gi chairman Ariang Panmaina asumna phongdokhi.
Manipur gi Governor Ajay Kumar Balabu unaduna yamna maru oiba wafam kaya khanakhi madudi napsa backlog April May tha ani gi Tamenglong Tausem amadi Tamai subdivision ahum gi damak government de release tawkhraba adubu praja mayam da phanghandabase krigino kanana manghalibano kanagomba masida chenaba National Food Security Act ki makhada matik chaba dandi pibiyo aduga athubada midyeng changbiduna phangpham thokpa beneficiaries singda phanghanbiyo. Power grid na saba 132 by 33 kV substation Tamenglong asi delay tawraga leibasina maram oiduna district hospital da students singda amadi general public singda awaba mayok nana leibase substation se loisillaga mai gi problem se ohan biu 100 bedded district hospital Tamenglong da manpower shortage leibasina doctors nurses singna wana mayam gi seba tawduna leibase midyeng changbiduna athubada staff recruitment amadi doctors award padu tharak pinaba haiki.
Tamenglong Forest Division na Sinduna Felong Village 1000 Subdivision Tamenglong District ta Forest Protection with special focus on bear conservation haiba awareness program nongmogi oina chathakre. Awareness program aduda Joel Gangmai Range Forest Officer Tamenglong A. Promesor Singh Range Forest Officer Tausem Mairu Thai Panmai Member Manipur Wildlife Board amadi Wituing Inchangta Secretary Felong Village Authority Makhoina Presidium Member oikhi. Awareness program aduda Tamenglong District ta phangba Himalayan Black Bear Wildlife Protection Act 1972 gi Schedule 1 da yauba asigi maramda public awareness tainaba focus tawkhi.